It's so calming. I could watch for hours. VegasFaders. The first time I see this fancy color-changing fader was in a HowTo video from Feeds. And at this moment it was clear I need it on my GrandMA3. Yeah, and here's the deal. I will show you how to do. And you posted your own VegasFaders on the social media channels with the hashtag VegasFaders. It has a couple of parts to do. First I will show you all the parts in quick. We need additional fixture attributes, 10 step attributes, where we can assign to our fixture. We need 10 custom DMX curves, each curve for one step. Yeah, the warning are only from because the visualizer. We need a fixture with 11 channel. One channel are the dimmer, channel 11, and 10 channels with the steps, with attribute step 1 and curve step 1 and so on. Then each step channel are in a relation with the dimmer, where we can control. Then we need patching those fixture. For each VegasFaders one step fixture, in our case 15. And we need an additional single dimmer where we can control the sequence and the fader. In this sequence I have stored the first fixture, and you can see in this windows here the dimmer value and the active step. And so we can change this. You can see here the appearance where we change the colors, and this goes over the in and out with the DMX3 modes. We need 11 DMX3 modes for each fader, 10 each step, and 11 the master fader. In the sequence 2 are the additional single fixture dimmer, and here are our steps, single steps from 1 to 10. Target are the macros with the go button active, and on the sequence the master fader. We triggered the macros. When step 1 are active, it triggers the first macro, and step 2 are active, the second macro. Each macro set another color to the appearance. The first 10 macros set the appearance for the color for the appearance 201. So we can change the first appearance with play with the macro or with the single channel. And so we can control our VegasFaders. On the first page from the playback I have stored the single attributes. It's over here. The single attribute as a normal sequence where you can interact with our step fixture. Our step fixture sends the DMX values out and comes back in over the DMX remotes and triggered those fader and the macros. Yeah, that's all. Now when you mean, oh, it's a lot of doing. Yeah, it is. But in my Github Repo, VegasFaders are a whole Showfile and an export for my plugin, export for the fixture, and the export for the DMX Curves. Link to my GitHub in the description. So, now we created one from scratch. I make a new Showfile. go to the patch and create my DMX Curves. The values from the DMX Curves are also on my GitHub. I show you only one DMX curve, the rest I imported. It's much easier. We need, on the first step, we need 5 points. On all other, we need 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can here active and so the first are from 0 to 24. So only so. And we don't need any curves. It's all flat. And starts till then this goes till 24. And then we go out. That's the first curve. It's only active in the first part. Step 1. So, and this we need it 10 times. I import it. So when all imported, we go through all steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's beautiful. Okay, then we need additional attributes for our fixture. We need 10 attributes for one step, for each step 1. We have it on the feature dimmer, and I don't know why this, but I keep it the same physical unit as dimmer. And then can create our fixture. Name it step fixture and edit. We need 11 channels. The default value for the step channels are full. Then we assign the attribute, our step attributes, step 1, and assign the created DMX Curves. And on the 11 channel, that's a normal dimmer. So, after that, we need 10 relation. Interacts with our dimmer channel. And each step. And the last one. So that's wrong. This. So, wow. And that's our fixture. We patch it. We create only 5 VegasFaders, it's enough. Yes, then 201. And we need a single additional dimmer channel 5. So that's it. Then here the playback bar, the faders, very bigger, it's enough. DMX output view. So, yeah. And for our test, we need the fixture 201. Make it full and store it on this sequence. And now you can see the steps, our step fader are working well. Nice. So, now we need the sequence for all faders, our normal dim faders, where we store test it. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. Then we need appearance, we need macros, we need plugins, not easy with a plugin, and store all Vegas. So, and now begins the magic. You can create 5 appearance, assign it manually. You can create for 5 VegasFaders 15 macros, 10 each fader, and you can insert 1166 DMX inputs, or you can import my macro, my plugin. Description, what's going on in the scripts are available on my Github Repo. So now we create VegasFaders. Magic! It creates a lot. Appearances. It creates a lot of macros. It creates a lot of DMX remotes. Assigned to the sequence and the macros with the buttons and the faders. And all now what you must do is set the remote address, enable input, and that's it. Magic! And now the fun begins. 201 through 205. Full. With the phaser. Step 2. Oh. Go to the Vega screen and our VegasFaders are moving. Make some Sinus, dimmer and face. And afterwards, light the charm. So easily can you create a VegasFader. Hope you enjoy, and I hope to see a lot of VegasFaders on the social media channel, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, what else, with the hashtag VegasFaders. Thanks and happy show.